Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer customized by Bomb for Force Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force 3rd Mile Upper Shillong.
Kanlong ka kubor ka bakmenta mi kipat ba nong shong shnong ka jala Meghalaya hakabay de bigila Jingsumar pangi ki jingstam bapher hagaba unong sen ka school ba University of Science and Technology umahabol hok ulapan bana ban pinyo ay kila Jingsumar ka Khlem Jingsiew Lyngba ka purno isang ma International Medical College but Hospital. Labo maunong rim na kabenta kani hakalai terik urisaw ahaja arpuar hapo ka jaka jong kani ka school ba hakandai mer barudwa riboy district yakni ka jingpun banau chancellor ka USTM ulakren ka jelang kabla long hadian ka jingple maunong rim bante ka jaka IJ kai doktor bar ka jaka sumar ya kabala bo ban pendep hapo snam ahaja arpendrio kade ka jaka sumar kandon kumba ars patali ki jingthia sumar pang ki papaka lande ka super specialty ward Kamtam kande ke jaka ai Jingsumar ka Khlem Jingsiew na ka benta ki nong shong shnong ka jala Meghalaya. Lawan ban pliu maunong rim do menteri rang ba ka jala ko ki sangma ka mukong san ha ka jing sakhilang ru da ka Ronda Viter ka bade ka global leader in USA menteri ka tanat puli uba lakman rimboi uba sostana sotun MLA ka Jiram constituency Dr. RC Deka director barim ka AIMS Dr. Dhruva Jyoti Bora, Vice Chancellor Srimanti Sankar Deva, University of Health Sciences, Dr. Abdul Wais, Professor of Medicine in USA,
It will go a long way to make this university. It is not only word, that there is an international word. In action, we will be showing that this university and especially this medical science will be catering the services in next 10 years for the neighboring countries. And you are all knowing that the government of India have an active policy to connect the ASEAN countries. But I have seen the absence of any such kind of agenda in terms of education and research to connect the ASEAN countries. We as a university, we have spoken to Honorable Chief Minister that first Nepal, Bangladesh and Bhutan, which are very neighboring, these peoples are coming, going for other purposes, but not education. The students, patients, they are all reaching to Chennai and other parts of the country. Why not Northeast? It is a biodiversity rich region. We have all strength. Our people are looking nice. Our people can speak English nicely. But why people are not coming to us? So we want to make it a nucleus and we want to work. And especially with the support, Dr. Wase is a famous doctor in US and he will be extending his all support. Sir is a man of communication and technology. He will be giving all such kind of IT and communication technology support. And Mezan is a good connector globally. So we don't have any issue. Only thing that the people here, the students, the faculty members, and me personally, we must be very hardworking so that this dream project can be transformed by next 3 years. And I have already told that by 2025 our hospital must be fully operational, and from 2026 our first batch of MBBS will be started.